Witness a dramatic turning point in the story of renewable energy in Madison County. 7 enormous wind turbines, once celebrated as the shining symbols of New York's green energy ambitions a quarter century ago, were spectacularly demolished on Wednesday. These colossal structures, each towering over 200 feet high, were brought down in quick succession through controlled explosions. The entire process unfolded in roughly half a minute, as one turbine after another succumbed to the blasts. But here's where it gets controversial. These turbines, initially praised as the future of sustainable power, are now being removed, raising questions about the evolving landscape of energy policy and technology. What led to this decision after so many years? Was it due to advances in turbine design, shifts in environmental priorities, or economic considerations? And this is the part most people miss. Dismantling these giant icons of early green energy efforts may reflect complex challenges the renewable sector faces, such as maintenance costs, land use debates, or public opinion. By sharing this video, we invite you to reflect on the balance between progress and preservation. Are these removals a necessary step toward more efficient systems, or a sign of lost opportunities in the fight against climate change? Join the conversation. Voice your thoughts and let us know if you think this was the right move or a regrettable setback for clean energy. Note, if you decide to purchase a product or create an account through any links on our platform, please be aware that we may earn compensation. Your use of this site signifies your acceptance of our user agreement, and you agree that your interactions, clicks, and personal information might be collected and stored by us. Social media and other third-party partners in line with our privacy policy.